Hello Nigerians! Why are you paying more for your vehicles when you have better buying options with GBovo Transport? No more paying inflated prices on vehicles. We have partnered with major auction dealers both in Canada and USA. This partnership has allowed us to negotiate the best prices to get you the best deal on your vehicle. We believe in 100% transparency. Our imported vehicles are in great condition and have higher purchase options. So, what are you waiting for? Book an appointment with one of our agents and purchase your next car with GBovo Transport.